Hamilton Beach Flexbrew Trio Coffee Maker Reviews. Hamilton Beach Flexbrew Trio Coffee Maker Reviews. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Flexbrew Trio Coffee Maker, Single Server 12 Cups, Black, 49,904. Enjoy the versatility of 3 ways to brew with the Hamilton Beach Flexbrew Trio Coffee Maker. Brew a single cup in about 90 seconds with a K-cup pot or ground coffee into a cup or travel mug, or brew 12 cups with ground coffee into the carafe. 3 ways to brew. Brew a cup with a pot or coffee grounds, or brew up to 12 cups using your favorite ground coffee. To brew 1 cup, you have the option of brewing up to a 10 ounces cup with a pot, or brewing into 14 ounces, 7 inches tall travel mug with coffee grounds. Fast brewing, brews a single cup in about 90 seconds. In the morning, every second counts. Unlike two-way coffee makers of the past, the Flexbrew Trio Coffee Maker prepares your first cup in about 90 seconds, so you have more time to enjoy your coffee. Number 2. Hamilton Beach 49,976 Flexbrew Trio 2-Way Coffee Maker. 3 ways to brew. Brew up to 12 cups with ground coffee on the carafe side, or use dual-purpose single serving to brew a pot or ground coffee on the other. The included pot holder and single-serve grounds basket easily handle both options. Single Cup Coffee Maker. Brew a cup with a K-cup, pod, another pod brand, or a ground coffee. The included pot holder and single-serve grounds basket easily handle both options, and the cup rest removes so you can brew into a tall travel mug. Brew a full pot of coffee. This programmable coffee maker has easy-touch programming for wake-up-ready coffee. After brewing, coffee stays warm for 2 hours and the power automatically shuts off. Auto pause and pour lets you pour a cup as coffee brews. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Flexbrew Trio Coffee Maker in Black. Hamilton Beach Flexbrew Trio Coffee Maker provides multiple brewing options. Brews a single cup in about 90 seconds and features a 56 ounces water reservoir. Works with ground coffee and your favorite brand of coffee pods, sold separately. Brews single cups or up to 12 cups in the carafe. Brews a single cup in about 90 seconds. Provides multiple brewing options. 56 ounces water reservoir. Brews your favorite ground coffee or your favorite brand of coffee pods, coffee and pods sold separately. Number 4. Ninja CFP 201 DualBrew Coffee Maker in Black. Ninja's DualBrew Pro Specialty Coffee System delivers classic, over ice and specialty brews from your favorite coffee grounds or K-cup coffee pods. Features 3 brew style choices: classic, rich or over ice. DualBrew Pro Specialty Coffee System delivers classic, rich, over ice, and specialty brews from your favorite coffee grounds or K-cup coffee pods, K-cup pods sold separately. Customize your brew with 9 ground sizes from single serve to carafe and 4 pod sizes from 6 to 12 ounces. Adjustable warming plate keeps coffee warm for up to 4 hours. Number 5. Russell Hobbs Glass 8-Cup Coffee Maker in Silver and Stainless Steel. 8-Cup Coffee Maker. Great mornings start with great coffee. The Russell Hobbs Glass Series Coffee Maker is the perfect fit to your morning routine. Easily set the time and auto-brew feature the night before, and wake up to discover the ultimate coffee experience in the comfort of your home.